Let's start to create our pro and cinematic title animation as I inspired from Netflix web series known as Women of the Dead. I have divided our main title in 3 text layers. I used Baerding font family for Woman Dead words and Archivo font family for of the word. So now first we create our woman word using font family Baerding and center it vertically of the composition, and now duplicate this layer and change word to dead and adjust it as I did. Now again duplicate the text layer and change font style to Archivo and adjust it again as I did. Choose red shade for woman dead words and for other choose white shade. Now select a woman text layer and apply tracking animator on it. Let's apply key on 0 number frame with value of 0. Now jump on 20th frame and apply one more key on tracking animator and change value at 50. Now select both keys and apply reverse keyframe and convert liner keys into easy ease and jump in value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Again select the woman text layer and this time apply scale text animator, then apply X scale value at 0 on 0 number frame and jump on 30th frame and apply one more scale animator key and change value at 100%. Now convert linear keys into easy ease and jump in value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Now select dead text layer and apply convert text into shape on it. Let's duplicate dead outline layers for 3 times as I did. Now follow my steps and make 4 different alphabets on 4 different layers so we can animate them individually. Now select all 4 text layers and open position property of them and apply separate dimension on it. Now jump on 30th frame and apply keys for X and Y position. Let's jump ahead for more 20 frames and apply keys on X and Y position for all 4 layers. Now change X position for all 4 text layers individually on 50th frame as I showed here to make them center between woman alphabets. Now select all X animation position keys on all 4 dead text layers and apply reverse keyframe assistant on it. Now select all Y position keys on dead text layers and offset all keys start from frame number 0, change Y position for all dead text layers on 0 number frame as I showed here, which gives an impression like doors are opening and dead alphabets coming out from that. Select all Y position keyframes, convert them into easy ease and jump in value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Again select all 4 dead text layers and open scale property for all and apply scale keys on 0 number frame and also on 20th number frame. Jump back on 0 number frame and change scale value 0 for all text layers. Now convert all keys to easy ease keys and jump into value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Now select a woman text layer and open tracking animator property and apply 2 keys on 30th frame and 50th frame with value at 50 and value at 0 respectively. Then select all X position keys for dead text layer, convert them into easy ease and select all X position keys again along with woman text layers tracking animator last 2 keys and jump in value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Now select our final text layer. Open position property and make it separate dimension on it. Now animate X position with 2 animation keys having distance of 20 frames between 2 keys and change value at first position key as I did. Now convert both keys in easy jump in value edit graph and edit graph as I did. Select shape tool and create rectangle covering the text layer of the and apply it as alpha matte on below text layer. Our animation part is done. Let's apply cinematic effect on it. Now select all the layers and duplicate them and create pre-comp of all duplicated layers with name all text. Now apply fast box blur effect on pre-comp text layer and apply blur radius value at 68 and iteration value at 20 with horizontal and vertical option, and change the blending mode of pre-comp layer from normal to stencil alpha blending mode to get desirable cinematic effect. Now create an adjustment layer and apply glow effect on it. Now apply threshold value at 20, blur radius value at 50 and intensity value at 0.4. Our Pro Cinematic title animation is ready. If you have any queries, please mention in comment below.